Hello everyone, welcome back to Best 5-1. In this video we are going to check out the top 3 best suitcase ramp. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 3, we have the Z-Access Suitcase Ramp Signature Series. This is a transportable wheelchair ramp with an unmarried fold design that allows it to be folded in half and easily be carried like a suitcase. This wheelchair ramp is also suitable for a vertical upward thrust of 6 inches or much less. One of its tremendous safety functions is its foldable lip at the bottom of this wheelchair ramp, which omits the need to tilt the wheelchair to get onto the ramp. Thus, the wheelchair can climb onto this ramp with none instability, which may additionally otherwise cause a fall. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 2, we have the HomCom 6 feet folding portable suitcase ramp for mobility wheelchair threshold. This particular wheelchair ramp is bendy and suitably long. Its skid evidence floor prevents slipping in any climate conditions, reinforced via the aspect guardrails, which ensure that you'll now not move over the threshold even if the wheelchair isn't aligned straight. When not in use, this wheelchair ramp can be folded up and positioned aside for later use. Its aluminum body provides to its lengthy durability. And finally, at number 1, we have the 96 portable folding aluminum wheelchair scooter ramp. This wheelchair ramp comes in one-of-a-kind sizes, with the famous preferences between the to be had 5 featuring, 6 featuring and 8 toes ramps. Moreover, this wheelchair ramp has an exceptional high traction floor, and its strong aluminum creation gives this ramp electricity and sturdiness to deal with a weight potential of 600 pounds. By flipping an unmarried lever, this wheelchair ramp will break up into 2 and can be carried like a suitcase, making transportation smooth. These trays at the side of a cheap charge make it an excellent product, which has been made inside the USA. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this suitcase ramp, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.